Yeah, I don't come again. Oh. If you like, you hear what I want to talk. If you like, you won't listen to the thing when I want to talk, say, because I know say many people will say you know concern. Many people will feel like concern, say no concern them. It concern you. Why it concern you? Because even though say you feel say you the Western world, it not concern you. I believe say you will get family there. You will get family. You must get family there. Even though say na your uncle or whatever, is they there? You understand? So that's why it concern you. We need to talk wetin dey happen to that country, Nigeria, because Nigeria just be like company for those people, those white people. And so Nigeria be to them, a company be. So that's why anybody where they there, you know, they know what thing they do. Because when they don't enter that power, because of the condition and everything where they put in place, where they give them, so they don't fit do anything. And that's why even when Buhari they keep people now, they do anything, they keep carry your people, full of herdsmen, they kill Nigerians now, they kill youth for the country now. Nobody they talk because they say, not because they say, they even they cover them because why? Now then they sponsor them, you know. Some of them they sponsor them. Yeah, that's why you see say no then they talk about the issue where they happen for our country. Because we all there where say Nigeria now war zone now because now no go area now, Nigeria. Not be today start, but now it don't come outside now. People don't really they see. Why people come they see they come they open eye because of our leader Una they coming. Now make people come they open eyes, they let people they see what they really go on. That's why you even see our side, all those governors even come go home meeting, even wake up. And that's why they even wake up. Because of waiting they don't see, waiting they don't hear, waiting they don't see, say yes, they saw, it happened to them. Somebody they come out, they give them, they can't get exposed. That's why they even wake up, say, they even try to do that thing. So they can't go home meeting. Because I never hear one day where they say, they even gather, say the whole meeting before they come out from newspaper. I never see, I never hear, I never see for paper. So now they kind of even open their eye, come meet, they come wake up, come meet, they go even home meeting. They can't talk, say yes, they don't need open grazing from south. You understand? So now the other meeting they talk that word, come outside, say they don't need that, they want ban them for their side, your land. Fulani herdsmen, they do one side, they say una go day hotel, they make decision, say they not dey there. When these people they make their law, Sharia law, till they keep people, if you look woman, they will blind your eyes, or they cut your hand. No, our governors did that side. None of them did there, whether they make that law. You see why Africa not feel good, Nigeria not feel, even not be only Nigeria, why Africa not feel good? Now because of this religion where they break on. Now religion is scatter Africa. Who bring all those things come? Now those two white people. Now they bring Quran, now they bring Bible. They bring Bible, they bring Quran. To deceive you, to make you fight each other, to make you fight ourselves. We fight ourselves. You understand? So that is why South Africa not feel good. For example, get story. Yesterday, get what I want you try to. Yesterday now, me and one of my guy, if you see on a river side like this, because it's too hot for this side, you know. Today even good. Yesterday, I did before yesterday, not be here. And I saw we see the same. Maybe this one I think just see last like 2 days like this. We go see four there. You see continue. Maybe if we just get like this month and next month now for only summer. Oh, we just sit in Jordan. So now this river side, I will feed there. If it hot here, it pass. Even we also be like the one we will receive for desert. That's all the sun where desert side be. You understand? So just be like this, and so they burn, you go even they burn your body. Now so you see before you, if you just see the time we can see the sun, not be everything they see. Maybe the only 2 months now we take even feel before you go see go. You understand? So now be the matter. So me and the guy now we come riverside. As we come riverside, we come see, you know, based on normal level in Bona, the time so where they are swimming clothes, everything. We come they waka they go. And they look, they see them, they throw fear, like they look them. Now where they even dey, now they will want to go relax, but not be this side. So because I know the lie one day that side, so the lie one just day, you know, catch my phone, do my thing, you understand? If I want to catch my phone, I also go there, feel my eyes, I also move. So I know the two leg they there, you understand? You know. So as they walk out, they go now. He say, you want to ask me question? Say, Frank, you want to ask me a question? I say, what I say, whether na so Christianity allow this thing. Now I say, what be that? He say, I don't say people when you're here and you're naked. I say, I can't look at because I shocked for that word when they ask me. Even me myself, when they walk out, they go self. Now make her wear. I can't wear singlet because it's too hot. I can't wear singlet. Now, he just dress, wear trousers, wear shoes, do everything. But as he called this river, say one day ask me that question, I said, guy, you see why? Let me go tell you, you see why Africa don't feel good? Now because of no freedom. Those people they are free. You can look, you cannot touch. But touch her now, and then you will know. Now what I tell her, I say, you can look, you cannot touch. This one don't mean anything. So far, you know. I said, wait. So they come up by itself. They go decide the river, they will come up by, they will come up by itself. And when they want to come out, they feel wear and they don't see saying people you don't feel touch. Now that won't be the matter, I say. So that time I say, come, let me make Africa not feel good. I can't make her understand because why we don't get freedom. Now those people, those people, they give us, those white people, they give us Quran, they give us Bible. Why for we to fight ourselves, for we to make sure that we don't love ourselves, so that maybe the country, maybe the Africa will not grow. Make them for not unite. That's why they bring all those things for them. And those who bring, the people where they bring and come from, look their land. Everything they okay for them. The citizens they free. They are free for everything. They know they lack. You don't work, you know they work. The government will take care of you. Even you were before then when you come here, if you know they work, so they will take care of you. Your own country. Now you go employ yourself. Now you go give yourself life. Now you go even give yourself road. Now you will give yourself hospital. Now you will give yourself everything. Now you will give yourself nothing they work. Nothing they work. No hospital. No school. No good education for the country. But this man when you enter, he could not turn to say, nah, he be the most stupid president we I don't ever see for Nigeria. Because you get one old man will come out one day when they watch Facebook. What did the man talk? The man say, he said that year when things good for Nigeria, what did he talk? He said that year when things good for Nigeria. He said your uncle, where the America, come send an invitation, everything, do everything for him to come America. He said he not really go. Because why? He dey okay for Nigeria. If you go see go America, they will come stand for anywhere those continents. No, he dey here. Then he relax. He dey. He said I wish he know say things will come turn to be like this. For Buhari regime, Buhari of it will not be even Buhari. They don't do what they come they don't they change, they don't they do because for me since I was born, I never see where if the man see me, the other one that man would be that kind of 60 something. So I know say for maybe that time things good. So even get free education that time, they that time. But now even our time since I was born, I never see anything when Nigeria don't do for me. When would they say you will say arise? What do they rise? They never arise of compassion. What do they rise? They never rise one day. Me never see the rise where they rise. Since I was born, see Nigeria rise. Okay, maybe you can see. So you want to defend your what you defend? Which country you defend? One faithful, one loyal, peace and you. What you beat the peace day? Where the peace day for that country? You see come and say you see that stupid rise of compassion where they say what did they talk follow them and fake. Now what did they not they do? Now they do for the night they sing for school. They say that will be the leader of tomorrow. How did you to be the leader? Whether you don't run come up for Africa finish, not only Nigeria. Oh, every youth of Africa, not only Nigeria, every youth of Africa, their dream now to get how they would leave the country, either by land or any means, because of the corruption and the bad rulers who we don't ever get for Africa, because they don't unite. They use those things to divide them, but come their land, they make everything they okay for their people. Then they live well. You were before them, we even call yourself. For them, say they even they treat you bad. How was your country? Even they treat you the way treat us, the way the elders people they treat us. Say go even see good for that side, because now you know they work. They will see they even they take care of you. They will give you house to stay. You will place in a container. If you don't get money to rent house for Nigeria, you don't get house. What you go don't be sleep, not be street you go to sleep. Government will care about you. Oh yeah, you will call you because they make mad. You see the person where they get something. You will come the heavy, you will the vest. You come the fine quarrel. You come the just the another quarrel. Waiting not even they reach anything. You will just begin the they lie, they spoil everything. They make sure say you put the person for problem. No, say now yourself you want people for problem. You know say the country where you for come, guy it be. Person where pass land, pass everything. You come here, it's really God bless and with anything. God everybody come here. Anyhow you will take get what you they find for here. You will do it. So far you use your brain. You know concern you so far do your thing. So the way you see the person do something, or if person can't get document, or if can't get what's in effect, you will come the best, you will come the heavy, you will come the say. It not concern you, because you try yourself, pray hard and work hard. That's what people do. Pray without working. You know you don't pray. You know they work. You know how you want to work. Man, I go for your fall for everyone just come. So you need to work. You need to do things. You need to think. You need to get some idea. Not be when you see somebody, the person does the better, you call the verse, you call the heavy the person, you call the fire, you want to scatter the happiness. You know say. That person not get, they even they think about you, they even the reason you anything way they do. Nah, they come back to you. They use their head, they carry. Now so it be, not be charm, not be juju, allow, not be juju. Now God, because why? God say your hand clean. You don't get anything against anybody. You understand so? Because nobody is perfect. That one on one side, but know the good and know the bad. But if you know those things, follow the one way. No say yes. No one will gain no day. If not the bad though, you get the gain. If not the good though, you get the gain. That's just life. I won't forget this Europe life, because many things they happen for Europe. So what thing I come back to understand for this country, you have to do your thing. Do your thing, do your best, and you'll leave the rest of God. And don't even anybody even try to be your friend though, because I know say no friend for Europe. No friend. But anybody when decide to say yes, where you decide to say yes, you feel talk to, where you let you talk to when you talk to. Anybody where you say you still live fun, that's what you just be. You do your thing, that's what you just be. They know they fight good, so that's what you be. For that country, when I come from, Buhari really disappoint Nigeria. Not be lie, disappoint Nigeria. It make us run come on for the country. Nothing they work for that country since I was born. I never see anything for that country very good. I never see leader will be saying that they come say Buhari na come worse pass the rest where don't ever come. Even Abacha will be say that where people come they even they happy safe. They better pass Buhari now. So no. The instant all those people don't wake up now. If they can't say because they attack Warren say because the man na be the chairman na be the people where be say they organize the thing now. So they say they want attack. So may you people wake up, because if you not allow those people to really succeed this plan where they plan, so maybe say they will fulanize all Nigeria and everybody will pay a problem. Forget say and they will stand for this thing. If it happen like this, now they kind of don't talk. May they divide the country, now go better part, because we know we feel live with these people. We can never live with these people. We don't feel live with them. So it's better we just go now. They just separate. Now so now the matter be that. Because we can never live with them. Because why we don't get the same thinking. There's nothing. Because how can you live with person will be say believe or say if he kiss he will go heaven. Person will believe say if he die for one he will go heaven. Person will believe say he believe animals say pass his whole life. You carry cow for community to community, they destroy everything. They kill people, papa, keep people, mama. They rape children. They rape all. You say he must continue. Oh, boy, if I listen to some kind talk, speech, whether they say record, whether they come the post, they give us, say, now you talk, they pay me well. See, people say they believe. Some people go even consider this people come meet you for where you sit down for our money, they down for my money. They talk anyhow. They tell say, make the youth behave themselves. If they want to work, make they protect the country, make they, so that they. Hi God, I listen to those people and I was ashamed of you. But I was ashamed of you. Even the people where they listen to you, where they even ask you questions, will be say they not even ask you questions. Talk to you, say why you no one even come on resign. They will ask you that question there because they fear, because they say if you talk, you go arrest them. They say when I walk in the head, and so nobody they go ask you. So that's why they fear. I not say blame them. You talk anyhow there. When they even ask you about this Gabashe word compare about spare parts about cow. You laugh, carry head, go back. Because now it's also back when they go for the country, Zoom. As soon as they come, they janja with people. But Sahel. It's better we share that country, make everybody go. So that one ain't go win now. So because Oshowore, I want to see talk about Oshowore. Oshowore before, I believe say when you come, I don't say you don't see me under the Kano. I see at that time when you go meet the Kano, I can't go to everything. I listen to the interview, everything, when I discuss everything. But I see some reason for your side because but now I can't believe because why you not go work. One Nigeria cannot work. Not go kill yourself. Now woman shoot you that time. Now woman I shoot you that day. You get lost in a level. If they just kill you like that, so you just go for one Nigeria, nothing go happen. No, Buhari go sit there, and go tell the person where they put for there go sit there, or nothing go happen. No, so you have to advise yourself and keep yourself for this one Nigeria of a team because you not go work or show. Now, truth of the matter, now they tell you. So I like you. I so much. I don't know what I want to because I do believe you. Everything when you talk, I believe you. Because now I can't say and say, you no go feel work, because why? Nobody go feel because they can never give you that chance. They will not give you. Don't go kill yourself for one Nigeria. You need to just find how you will take command for that country. Go to another. Just even follow Duduwa. And yes, follow your people. Mona just they do nothing. Maybe brother they do their own, they do their own. Get the other country and go work. So you see know everything because why if they see share the country, not me say this one, nobody they go see doing everything go see they okay, but you go know where your boundary, you know where you get your law. This one get it. That's what it be. Not be say they fight. They know that you fight doing. I don't know why this gender with people no one understand. Everything go see go where. Now you go make the thing even good. How Africa go do okay because we are suffering. How you go they kill people, mama, kill people, papa, burn people house, push people for community. Nobody they talk. Hi. I beg, I don't want you. They pay me well because of the best. Those stupid people where we sit here, where be even Nigeria, they sit here, they'll call it misbehave for here. They here, you call it misbehave. They help your fellow brother. They help any. You go they jealous your fellow brother for just no reason. For you to pray for God, pray for God, make God answer you. If you believe, let your hand clean, not the every person. But if anybody where they get that heart of jealousy, things they have down because why the time when you go take they pray for yourself, then you go take the reason on that person matter. They plan evil, they plan anything you want to. No say that person not they plan anything like that against you. Everything where they plan now your head will take carry. If they go back, not be juju, don't talk I understand. So not be me, they do what I go, Papa God, the creator of heaven and earth, the one who gets this hair where we breathe. So now I believe, say, now be my God. So Jehovah God. And only the pastor where say the color. And never get anybody who get God. Nobody where we say no bad and God color. You believe for those things, that's why they do it. So don't come to use on the deceive people. Everybody get that thing where God give everybody that thing. So if you know how to use it, it will work for you. That's the thing. So don't call it like deceive your fellow brother or your fellow sister or your fellow neighbor, you know.